Hello, welcome. Today we're going to be looking at wastewater treatment. Wastewater treatment. What is wastewater and where can wastewater come from? Another word that we use for wastewater is municipal wastewater, meaning wastewater that is in towns like we have here in Abuja. So this municipal wastewater consists of liquids and water carried waste from industrial facilities, dwelling places of human beings through their sanitary places, institutions, together with groundwater and surface water that may be present in it. This wastewater contains microorganisms, pathogens, dissolved nutrients, microorganisms that are not good for human beings. Because of this wastewater poses environmental hazard. It poses hazard to me and you. So for us to have this water not cause these problems or pose these hazards to us, we need what we call wastewater treatment. We need to treat these wastewaters that are coming from our environment, from industries. When you have industry, they're always discharging wastewater. In our dwelling place, like in our homes, there is waste coming from things we use, from our washing and other things. So all this water has to be treated most times, especially the ones that are coming from manufacturing industries, before they can be disposed into our water bodies, because of the contents, toxic material that are inside this waste. So we need to treat them. So the utmost goal of wastewater treatment is to produce a safe environment so that this water will not contaminate our environment. This wastewater from sewage from everywhere will not contaminate our environment. So there are methods that are used in this wastewater treatment, and they are classified into three. One is what we call the physical methods, which includes screening and other things. Secondly is what we call the chemical methods, which include absorption, chemical absorption and other things. And thirdly is what we call biological methods, which includes activated sludge treatment and other things. So let's look at this chronologically one by one. Wastewater treatment. Municipal wastewater is the combination of liquid and water carried waste from sanitary conveniences of dwellings, commercial and industrial facilities and institutions, in addition to any groundwater, surface water and storm water that may be present. Untreated water contains high level of organic materials, numerous pathogenic microorganisms, as well as nutrients and toxic compounds. This wastewater poses environmental hazard if not treated before disposal. You have to treat before you dispose it. The ultimate goal of wastewater treatment is to protect the environment according to public health and social economic relations. Now, what are the methods that are used in treating wastewater? They are actually classified into three. We have the physical unit operation method, which includes screening, comminution, flow equalization, sedimentation, flotation, and granular medium filtration. You have the chemical unit operations, which includes chemical precipitation, adsorption, disinfection, dechlorination, and other chemical applications. Then finally we have the biological unit operation, which includes activated sludge process, aerated lagoon, trickling filters, pond stabilization, anaerobic digestion, biological nutrient removal, and rotating biological contractors. So all these are methods that you can use in treating wastewater. And for you to know the particular method to use depends on the source of the wastewater. What kind of place are you producing the waste? Is it from industry? If you're treating waste from industry, are you going to use chemical methods or biological methods? You are going to find out that biological methods nowadays is the best method of treating most of these waste, because the biological method doesn't have anything bad that it adds to the environment, unlike the other methods like in chemical where you have to use chemical and to do it, you understand, or physical methods. So we are going to analyze all these methods and see the ones that are very good to specific pollution problem. So if you have pollution or waste coming out from a textile manufacturing company, what kind of methods are you going to use? If it is about waste coming out from the hostel, a community where people are dwelling like the school hostel, what kind of waste treatment methods are we going to use? If you are having waste coming out from the refinery, oil spillage, what kind of methods are we going to do? So any of those methods must fall within physical unit operations, chemical unit operations, or biological unit operations. So we're going to be going into them one by one, and we'll be able to see the kinds of methods that are applicable to specific or particular problems of pollution of waste water. If you like this video, please hit on the subscribe button, like, share our video, support us in any way that you can. On the comment section, drop any question that you have. Thank you, and God bless you.